Uh, Paris, I'm gonna show you how to touch the how to I'm gonna teach you something right quick. You see the tree? Come on. Let me see your phone. Put both your hands on the front on the tree. Yep, just like that, both of them on the tree. Both of them flat. And that's how you talk to the trees. One day you're gonna be able to talk to the trees. That right there give you good energy from the trees. Okay. I always believe that. I always remember that. You know you're supposed to wash your goddamn face, man. Ask the universe to give you energy. Say, universe, give me some energy.
Universe, give me some energy,
Please.
please.
You will. Come on. Had to teach my daughter had to shadow work, do her shadow work with the trees, learn how to touch the trees. Uh-huh. Get up here. Huh? Touch the trees so she can be one with the universe herself. This is my daughter Paris. That's the youngest one. That's daddy baby.
I'm the last one.
Yeah, you the last one. Well, besides your other sister your mama got. Nature. That's how you talk to the trees. No, that's not the tree. Looking there. I ain't going all the way down there today.
That's where the it looks like public over.
No. Nature call, seaplane the new room. Yeah, we got you. Up like a hard on. Peace to all gods and goddesses. Peace and abundance to all gods. Keep your head up. Love all who love all. Peace.